Hello, I'm going to go over the sea lion tracking worksheet with you. Now what this is talking about sea lions, but also other marine animals that we use satellite trackers for. There are different types of trackers, some that track continuously. If the tracker is like on the back of the animal and the animal is always near the surface, like we see in these sea lions, they can track it pretty much whenever they want. Some stuff like sharks might swim really deep, or a whale might swim really deep. So it's only going to be tracked when these satellite transmitters are up near the surface. Anyways, what I wanted to look at was using a formula, this one here, a speed formula, which is distance over time. We use that in our cars, right? Miles per hour. And figuring out the speed, or the average speed, of the sea lions, one sea lion in particular, from some actual data. So we need to figure out a couple of things to figure out the speed. We need to figure out how far it traveled in a day, and how long did it travel to get its speed. So we have a couple of dates here, and you're just going to start with this first one, August 11th. And from August 11th to August 12th, he went this distance right here. All right, so we need to know how many miles that is. Well, I've got down here, I've got a scale, right? This line is 15 miles. So you can use a ruler, but you don't have to. Anything straight, like I don't have to know numbers. I just know that this amount from here to here is 15 miles. And that's enough for me to estimate how far this sea lion traveled. So let's see, that's 15 miles there. And then I move it up, another 15, that's 30 miles. And a little bit more, I'm gonna say he went 33 miles in that day from here to here. How long did that take? For us, the length of swim time is going to be 12 hours. Sea lions will generally sleep about 12 hours and they'll swim about 12 hours. So for all of these, we're gonna put a time of 12 hours. Now that I have distance and time, I can calculate my speed, miles per hour. And I take the distance and I divide it by the time. Distance 33 miles divided by 12 hours. And I get a speed of 2.75 miles per hour. You know what, I'm gonna put MPH, miles per hour. And that was its average. You're gonna do that for each one of these. Looking at the map, measuring how far it went, and then getting the speed, the average speed. Also, do not forget, down here is a word problem that I want you to answer. So read through that. You're gonna use the speed formula again. You got all the information you need, and you're going to write out your answer and your work in this space down here. All right, thank you very much.